Good morning from day 59. It is my first blaze of the morning. I had a pretty good sleep last night. It wasn't too bad. It was raining, but it was more the wind that was blowing. But we were also grateful to be inside than in a regular three-sided shelter. The through hikers, well, 5 of us have decided to stay at Burke's Garden Hostel tonight because we're all soaked. We want to get dried off. The other 4 are going to walk the mile down into Burke's Garden. I'm going to go 6 miles today because Burke's Garden will pick me up round trip, drop me off tomorrow for only $10. So I just wanted to get some miles in. And I don't want to walk a mile and then have to walk a mile back of non-AT miles. Right now it's not raining, it's foggy, but it is supposed to rain today. I wish I stayed at the shelter for maybe 30 more minutes. Maybe the sun would have burned off some of that mist. And we got a view up there. It's supposed to be one of the most amazing views. So this is Burke's Garden. And this is the resupply room. The hostel's right there. I mean, how beautiful is this? Fine situation. Glad I got inside. Thunder and lightning out.